Hello everyone, this is Team Hostel Management System. Today we'll be giving a demo of the cleaning management system that we have created. First up, you have to go on this URL which will be provided to you and type in your email. Then you can select forgot password if you are using the portal for the first time. This would send a recovery link to your email. Just a moment. Right, so once you get the recovery link, you can click on it and go on to reset your password. Once that is done, you can go onto the portal again and type in your new password. Right, so now we are done logging in. This is the profile page which shows your details, and this is the cleaning page. So the system is really simple. You have to put in 3 slots for which you expect yourself to be free and you want your room to get cleaned. These slots can only be for the present day and the day after that. So here I'm just selecting these 3 slots randomly. Now based on these slots, a cleaner will be allocated within one of these time frames. As you can see, the request has already moved to assigned, which means the cleaner has been assigned. And when the cleaner comes, you can just mark your request as done and also drop your feedback.